For this video, I'm going to share with you some simple steps on how to assemble the Dell Inspiron 14C. We're going to start by securing the placement of the hard disk drive and the battery using the screws. After that, we're going to put the casing to support the whole structure and also to provide a solid protection to the sensitive components. Then, the DVD-ROM is attached to the system. After the DVD-ROM comes the keyboard. It is important to ensure that the keyboard is properly connected. Sometimes, a little unnoticed actions like this can cause constraints on the productivity, such as malfunctioning of the keyboard. Next, we're going to install the RAM. Take note that the golden parts called ICs are very sensitive, so be careful and try not to touch them while installing. After everything is installed, we're going to secure the bottom case by rolling in the screws nice and tight. And then, when everything's done, you are now ready to use the Dell Inspiron 14C. Related to this, you can also try to visit the video created to guide you on how to disassemble the same model. Thank you!